Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joseph and this is how to guys. If you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press on notification bell so you can be receiving some beautiful notification about how to make money online, because this channel is based on helping people getting financial freedom, guys. So today we're going to discuss on how you can check your investments. If you've already invested inside PROBOT7 and you need to see how our investments are going on, what have you invested in, whatever, just some stuff like that, guys. So if you've never used PROBOT7, it's an actual just a good application that you can invest, and the minimum deposit is $100, and I really request you to start with $115 because there's some kind of charges, so you need to have in your wallet 215, but you need to place the order of depositing $100. So guys, let's go and see on how you can see your investments. And my application is actually over here, as you can see it, and it's found in both it's on the iOS and the Android phones. So you can just go ahead and download it. It's very good and very beautiful, guys. You can start using it, and if you need to start this when you download, when you're opening an account, the code to use is Joseph, guys. And after using it, you can just check maybe my WhatsApp number in the description down below, and I'll give you some other information how you can use it and whatever. And also, if you don't know how to open an account, or if you have some difficulties, you can just comment section down below, or you can contact me via my WhatsApp number. So without wasting time, I'm gonna go direct to the application. So you've already invested. Actually, I've not invested right now. You've already invested some money inside here, guys, and you need to check your investment. How's it going? What have I invested and what have I done? So it's very simple, guys. We just come here. Let me show you. You just have to come and click this icon. This is in your home page. Just have to click on that investment icon. So after I've clicked it, you see here. So here's where you will see the active investment and a completed investment. As you know that you can invest in a lifetime, you can invest in a month, and you can invest the today. I think the today profits just goes to the month, just something like that. So that's how you see. I don't have any kind of investment for now. That's why you can see that nothing is displayed here. So this is where you can see, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in the section down below what have you learned today. If you find this video very valuable, please give it a thumbs up, and I will wish you a good day, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.